again. Okay, so this is my recovery video. We just did abs and stretching, but although stretching is good for recovery a little bit, there's a couple other things that you might need to invest in, and they're not really truly expensive. The first one, I will say, if you don't like ice baths, I hate ice baths, and as I get older, I worry more and more about things like arthritis and the cold on my bones. So, because that does run in my family, my brother was a really good, like an athlete. He was in basketball and soccer and baseball all in the same year. He did that for like 4 or 5 years, maybe longer. His whole life he was in all the sports except dancing, and I liked dancing, and I watched him take ice baths every single week. He was in the ice bath. Sometimes he did it twice a day, and I was like, that's very bad for you. But a couple of times he stayed in there longer than 10 minutes because he was so sore, and he's like, no, I'm fine. Anyway, long story short, he now has arthritis in his feet. So if you're taking ice baths, I don't have this product on me, but they do sell mittens and socks for ice baths, special socks to keep your feet warm so you don't get arthritis. I'm guessing maybe you can get them for your knees as well, but why take the risk? There's other things you can do. There's like a cryo, I forgot what they call it, that thing that you stand in and it's really, really cold, but they have protective gear like for your head and your face and your joints and stuff. So anyway, that's something that you can check out. They're a little bit more expensive. That's an expensive thing right there. But the inexpensive recovery options are like Epsom salt. This is the cheap brand. I don't know if you can tell, the light's kind of in the way. This is just a cheap brand. I think I got it at Target, and it is cheaper than the normal Dr. Teal's. But the thing about Dr. Teal's is that it comes for your feet, just your feet. Some of them, they all do this. They come for just your feet. You can have a foot bath if your feet are what's bothering you, or you could take a full bath in these Epsom salts. This is just the regular kind. It eases aches and pains. It soothes sore muscles and tired feet. And I would recommend doing 20 minutes as many times a week as you want. Once a day, but as many times a week. So like once a day for 20 minutes. I would not exceed 45 minutes in an Epsom salt bath, because one of the things that it does do, it softens your skin, number one, but it can give you diarrhea if you're in there too long. Okay, it softens your stomach muscles and something about your stomach that and you know, the private parts of your body, and you're sitting in it too long, it loosens them up. So part of the problem with that is that you might have to go to the bathroom afterwards. So don't stay in there too long. 20 minutes, you're good. Trust me, that is enough time, and it is safe to do it every single day. But 45 minutes or longer than that, you're gonna have some problems. So take a timer, don't fall asleep in the bath. That's bad for you anyways, you might drown. This one is in peppermint, cooling peppermint. They also have lavender and other scents. The difference in prices, I'm not really sure. So this is like 6 pounds, and this is like 2 pounds. Honestly, I don't do it every day. I do it when I'm extremely sore, but that is just because I don't like cleaning my bathtub that often. So I just do it once or twice a week, if that, and I've had these for a really long time. I don't know that one is better than the other. I think I just prefer Dr. Teal's scents better, but it doesn't matter. It does the same job, it does the same thing for you. So Epsom salt is a recovery option, and it works really, really well. You will feel so great after that. If you've never had a bath in Epsom salt, I think most people know what it is. If you're athletes, you know what it is. But if you're new and you've just been following some exercise videos and you want to know, oh, I'm so sore, I don't know what to do. How do I get over this? That's something you can buy. It's cheap. It's at Target. Another thing you can get probably at Target or on Amazon if you want to wait a month. It's still quarantine, so these are quarantine workouts. Is a foam roller. This one's black. They come in different colors. It's pretty big. So this is the size of my hand. I'm small. I would say it's about 5 inches all the way around. And yeah, so what you do with the foam rollers, I'll just show you a little bit. It takes some upper body strength, actually. So you want to put it on the floor. And put like your calf muscle over the top and just roll back and forth right where the muscle is sore. For me, it's right here, right where the muscle is sore. And you want to get all your whole leg. So that's just for the calf. And then if you have a problem your back of the leg, which is me, it's always the back of my legs, do the same thing, just roll back and forward. They suggest not to do it 2 at a time, but I do, because you have to be on your arms. It's a lot of weight on your legs, but you can do 2 at a time. It's not a problem, whatever you're comfortable with. And then to get this part of your leg, you stand on the side of it, have the other leg on the side of it. See, I'm just on this edge here. And I put it like this. And just get right in that muscle. Let your leg hang on it. You don't want to be contracting any muscles because that'll just hurt. Just relax on it and roll. So that is how you use the foam roller for your legs. I'm going to go do this right now because I need more of that. If you have any knee issues, I've probably got some knees and some of my knees. The foam roller is really going to help. It's probably an issue with the tightness of your muscles, which is my problem. And so, yeah, those are your 2 recovery options. The foam roller and the Epsom salts. Go pick it up. Okay, the foam roller you can get under $10. I think you can even get one for $5. I mean, they're cheap. Dr. Teal's also cheap, $5. And they last quite a long time. The foam roller is forever. I've had these for months. Just depends on how often you want to take a bath. Okay? So thank you for watching. That's my recovery video. I hope it wasn't too long, and I really, really hope that it was helpful. Don't hurt yourself. Don't try anything new without any doctor's advice. A lot of the stretches that I do, I got from my doctor. She gave me a list of stretches to do to stretch out my knee. be before we think about surgery or anything. Just keep stretching it and see if that helps. So yeah, these are doctor recommended exercises. Anyway, foam roller, Epsom salt, try it. See you later. Bye bye.